Good evening. My name is Mr. Crawford. I am the construction technology teacher here at Upper Bucks Technical School. What is the construction technology class pertain? About 60% carpentry, and the other 40% would be residential electric, residential plumbing, and residential masonry. We hit all the skills throughout the 3 years you're here, but your first year as a level 1 student would be mainly safety, going through OSHA, going through all the safety of hand tools, power tools, and then we would hit introduction into carpentry, electrical, masonry, and plumbing. Come on into my shop. Although I don't have any projects set up right at this point in time, these are some of the power tools you'll be learning. This is a miter box, a power miter box. This would be more for trimming out a house, doing finish work inside of a home. We have a framing square. That's going to be used for framing roofs, for framing stairs. We have a circular saw. That is our main tool for cutting. What you don't see is a lot of the hand tools. The students' hand tools are all locked up right now. They have tape measures. That's by far your most important tool. Your tool belt, circular, hammer, square, that kind of tools, all inside your tools. We have drills. We also run into doing electrical. Here's our electrical cart with different devices on it. We have many different devices. We have switches, 3-way switches, single pole switches. We have receptacles, keyless lights. This one's plastic keyless light. We have different style wires. We have 14-3, we have 14-2, 12-2, and we have all the tools to be able to do all this work. We also do plumbing. Our plumbing tools are set up here. We have torches. We are set up to do copper. We are set up to do plastic, PVC, and PEX. I'm going to invest in getting a manifold in here so we can actually hook up a water system and go through all that kind of stuff.
So what are some of the potential career pathways students can take?
Well, as soon as you're done with school, you can go right to work. Some of the students will be on co-op their senior years. Some of the students are in here for 4 years, not just 3. Those guys will be a little more job ready as they leave here. There are a lot of jobs. You can even work your way into the union, and that's 4 different unions. You can go into mason, you can go into electrical, plumbing, carpentry. You can also just get into residential construction or any other commercial construction business. A lot of the guys who come out of here, some will go to college, a lot of guys come out and go to the military. Military is a great branch of service for a great idea for these guys to go off and get into and grow up a little bit and decide where they want to go. Some of the guys will go into the Seabees and learn how to do more stuff there. Some guys will go and take off welding. So there's a lot of different trades. Our trade matches up with a lot very well. Your hands work in all the different aspects out there. After you learn the basics of our shop, it kind of translates to most every other trade.
So what is the biggest misconception about the program?
That's an awful hard answer. Misconception would be you actually have to go to college after this, I would think, because you really do not have to go to college after. That is a choice you can make if you want to go after for some business and try to run a business later on. But for the most part, I think the best thing you can do is get out and start working and start learning there and then decide what you want to do.
I would thank you so much.
Thank you very much.